Hello, welcome to Pro Trader Strategies Market Commentary. My name's Eric Wilkinson. Some of you may recognize me as the Wolfman from CNBC, Fox Business, or even the Wall Street Journal, where I've commented on everything from economic to geopolitical and market analysis. Please keep in mind that everything that we talk about in these daily market commentaries is not a solicitation to buy or sell any of the securities we talk about. The reason is I can't give a recommendation on a particular stock because I don't know what your risk parameters are. I don't know what's in your portfolio. Therefore, what I'm talking about, the different securities that I'm implementing, could be counterintuitive to what you are already doing. So take this as a learning experience where we are teaching you different strategies that you can implement into your own portfolio in your own way. Anyway, having said that, the S&Ps, not doing a whole lot today. We're just kind of having an inside day, if you will. SPY, are up a couple of ticks here. Really small move. 0.1% for the most part. So it's a really quiet day. On the floor, we used to say that this was a rush for the Hamptons after 11 o'clock Eastern. Things really started shutting down for the most part because a lot of the traders are just heading off to the Hamptons for the weekend. So it's going to be a pretty quiet day. A couple of things that I did yesterday, I talked about Facebook in the September 87.5, 85 put spread, sold it for 64 cents. Well, today, it popped up just a little bit and I was able to cover it for 38 cents. Not quite the 50% profit margin or 50% of max profit that I talk about, but close enough. And within a day, I'm going to take that off the table for sure. The other thing that I did was in WYNN. I've had on since July 28th. And in WYNN, I did the August because it was, quite a long time ago. I did the 86, 87, 106, 107 condor, iron condor. So the 86, 87s are the puts and the 106 and the 107s are the calls. And that creates an iron condor, which is similar to a strangle, which is what we're going to talk about in today's webinar. But anyway, I sold it for 43 cents on the 28th of July and bought it back for 10 cents today. So we're going to be talking about a strangle. I took this off. Normally I'd roll it because we still got high volatility in WYNN. You can tell we've got high volatility in WYNN. Still, it's at a historical low, but you can see it's just trend lining right along this $100 area for the most part. So I think that it's going to continue to do that. They did come out with a little bit less earnings, so but I do think it's going to stay within a nice little range for the foreseeable future anyway, at least the next 10 to 15 days, which is probably as long as I'm going to have on a trade like this. So check that out. We'll be talking about this on the webinar today. You can go to protraderstrategies.com, sign up for it. You can also get the ones sent back that I did the iron condors on and put spreads. We did a put spread on WMB that in 1 week has worked out really good, and I'm at 50% of max profit right now. So I'm trying to take that trade off. I've got that working, and so we're actually putting these trades on live during the show, and I'm actually asking questions what you guys are looking at so that I can run it across my rules and see that it's a good strategy to implement. So it's a good participation type thing. I think people are learning a lot. I've gotten a lot of great responses for it, so thank you for those. And check that out. You can go to protraderstrategies.com. Like I said, sign up for it. It's not too late. We're going to be doing that at about what is it? Couple hours, 2 hours. So sign up for that and get that sent to you. All right. If you can't take that, take it easy.